In this video, we'll show you how to assemble and disassemble Automation Direct NITRA CMV valve components. We're going to show you in under 2 minutes how quick and easy it is to assemble your NITRA CMV valves, end plates, and intermediate plates. When preparing to assemble the system, start on the left side end plate and stack each module to the right of the last as shown. Each module requires a 2.5 mm Allen wrench to tighten the set screws on both front and back of the modules. If additional set screws are required, Automation Direct offers these. The right side of each module, with the exception of the end right plates, will have a pneumatic gasket and an O-ring. When assembling modules, be careful not to damage the pneumatic gasket and O-ring. If either the gaskets or O-rings are damaged, replacements can be purchased. Confirm that the O-ring is in place in the channel. The channel has small tabs to help keep the O-ring positioned. Once the modules are properly positioned, simply tighten the set screws on front and back. Modules in a system can be added, removed, and/or replaced with ease. First, remove power, air supply, and/or vacuum for safety. Next, simply loosen the front and back set screws on the module to be removed and the module to the right. Pull the modules apart, being careful not to damage the gaskets and O-rings. Next, add, remove, or replace a module. Slide the modules together and tighten the set screws. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check out all of the other pneumatic products that Automation Direct offers. If you have any questions about using Automation Direct's pneumatic products, please contact Automation Direct's award-winning support team during regular business hours. They will be happy to help. Click on this short video to learn more about Automation Direct's support options, and click here to learn more or see more videos on our pneumatic products. And be sure to click here to subscribe to our YouTube channel to be notified of new videos. Don't forget to hit the like button below.